Okay, so I am at one of the Dollar Trees near my home, and we're at the front of the store looking at their seasonal stuff, and I thought I'd take you with me, guys. So let's go. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. Now remember that subscribing to the channel is totally free, and clicking that like button and for watching the video, this helps me to grow. And comment below because I would love to hear from you. Now when I'm shopping in the Dollar Tree, I really do like to show each item just so that you guys can get an idea of what they have. And even though I'm not buying it, it might be something that you like. And this way, at least when you go shopping, you know exactly what to ask for. Just so you know, the reason why I came to this Dollar Tree is because I just found out that certain areas don't sell the ethnic ornaments, and we do. So I really just wanted to show you what it is they have, and I'm actually shipping a couple of items to one of my subscribers out, just because I think it's just so unfair that in their particular area where they live, they don't want to order them. And I don't know, I think that's wrong. See how beautiful they are? I just think they're gorgeous. And these Santa Clauses right here, they remind me of vintage. I'm gonna go ahead and stock up on some of these. And look at these ornaments. They are so gorgeous. They really are. So I am on a supply hunt, so I'm gonna leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll see you at the end. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoy showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.